Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Rapids Wallet application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Rapids Wallet and start your search. Once you find the Rapids Wallet application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Rapids Wallet application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the open button. You can then tap on the open button to open up the Rapids Wallet application and then proceed with signing up to create a new account or logging into your existing one to start using the app right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Rapids Wallet application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.